I just spent $35 at Subway, y'all. Let me show y'all what I got. All right, y'all. So clearly we got a Gatorade. Y'all know I have to get 2 bags of chips, okay? 1 jalapeno and 1 spicy dill pickle. Mix these together, bomb. And then for the start of the show, what everybody been asking me to get, which I don't even eat, we got tuna, y'all. The J-Way, of course. We got tuna and bacon, y'all. Double tuna, double bacon. Whew, I'm kind of scared, y'all. So not only do we got double tuna and double bacon, we also got double provolone cheese. We got some lettuce, tomato, sweet onion teriyaki. We got some oil and oregano. And then we also got some mayo and some garlic aioli. I couldn't think of that name. But let's get into it, y'all. Period. I'm scared, but let's dive right on in. Oh my God. Hold on. Why do I like that, y'all? Oh my God, it got a sweetness to it. I don't know if that's the sweet onion teriyaki. It gotta be the sweet onion teriyaki. I like it. Yum. I like tuna. I like tuna. Look at me being grown, y'all. Period. If you go order tuna, order it like this or don't get it at all.